Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about another important part of speech called pronouns. Pronouns help us make our sentences shorter and clearer. Let's dive into the world of pronouns. Parts of speech. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. We use pronouns to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again, making our sentences less repetitive and clumsy. There are different types of pronouns, and each type serves a different purpose. Types of pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things. They can be singular or plural and can be in the first, second, or third person. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example sentence: She is going to the market. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Example sentence: This book is mine. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence and reflect the action back to the subject. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Example sentence: He cooked dinner himself. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point out specific things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Example sentence: This is my favorite song. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, what. Example sentence: Who is coming to the party? Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect clauses and provide additional information. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Example sentence: The book that you gave me is interesting. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. They are general. Examples: someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, everything, each, few, many. Example sentence: Someone left their bag on the bus. Identifying pronouns in a sentence. Identifying pronouns in a sentence is easy. They are the words that replace nouns and make the sentence concise. Example sentence: John is tired because he did a lot of work today. Pronoun: he. Do you have any questions about pronouns? Feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to clarify any doubts you may have. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.